everything beautiful. Lucky I never got trapped in a cubicle. If I did it, then you can do it too. Just follow my moves. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, my family home for the holidays. I'm in the studio.
Hey guys, so I'm in class learning about Forex. I'm in my car because I'm waiting to pick up my mom and she's not ready. So I'm learning about Forex. That's my next little hustle that I'm learning about.
Now, I'm teaching the class, right? Okay? You go in your room. Astoria, where's my phone?
It's like a whole nother language. I'm still learning the terms. On my laptop.
Go in there.
Trying to learn these charts.
Okay, so.
Get my notes, because he will be asking questions. He will be asking questions. So I'm like, I gotta be on point, because he will be calling my name.
Empress, turn the TV down.
Here he go calling my name. I had it on mute. That's the wide state.
Very good. Walter, what goes here?
He stayed calling my name, trying to play me out to see if I know what I'm doing.
What goes here?
What he's talking about. I still gotta look at my notes. Follow through.
PT already. Who said follow through? Your name is not Julia, so why are you answering questions that's not to pertain to you?
He got a slick ass.
If I call names, I want the person that I call name respectfully to answer, not the person for them.
He got a smart ass mouth. I can't stand it. Ghetto. See my laptop? This is my laptop. I'm trying to learn this. Trying to figure it out. This is another hustle that I got going on right now. Because the lifestyle that I'm trying to live, I need to be able to work smarter and not harder. I gotta start letting my money work for me, and I gotta learn about this whole stock market. I don't know anything about it, so I'm trying to learn. Because real estate is kicking my ass right now, so I think I just want to walk away from that completely and just focus on this whole thing. Now, Forex, I'm told that you basically got to be up in the middle of the night ready to do some trading. And the way that I work, I don't know if I'm going to be able to stay up all night to do this. So, but you know what? I invested $2,000 to learn about this. So I gotta do what I gotta do. Sorry, y'all. I look a mess today. Got my hair tied. I don't even care. I don't know if y'all can see this, but yeah. He's still not back yet. He's dealing with somebody that's crying. I guess the kid is crying.
You all set? No.
To be at home comfortable, but I can't because I'm waiting for my mother. She's not ready to leave. She's waiting for somebody to come relieve her. So I'm stuck in this car trying to do this training. Everybody waiting patiently. That's what you call a hustler. Like, I walk around with my laptop because I know I had class today, and I knew something might happen, and I wouldn't be home on time. So I need to be able to pull over.
You gotta get your sisters
and get on this chat, on this Zoom meeting.
Okay, so
we about to start.
Sorry about that. Okay, so what was I? Right here. What goes here, Julia?